Hey bossing, kamusta? Welcome back sa channel ko, Pinoy Manshaft. And today's video, I am so excited kasi dumating na yung SB Dunks na napanalunan ko dun sa raffle. Sorry, nabubulol ako. And there's a little bit of clarification dun sa raffle thing. Hindi ibig sabihin na libre tong sapatos ha. Binayaran ko to. And ang reason kung bakit ginagawang raffle ni Nike yung mga sapatos na hindi mass-produce or limited editions para magkaroon naman ng chance yung mga normal consumers katulad natin na makapag-purchase ng sapatos. Hindi yung isang tao lang yung bibili lahat tapos, you know what I mean, i-hoard nila yung item tapos yung markup sa sapatos pagdating na sa retail is sobrang mahal. So, yun ang dahilan kung bakit may raffle. Okay? So, let's do the unboxing now. Okay. So, ito yung box niya. And you know what I don't like? The Nikes. Because they have their own boxes. And, you know, it's really obvious na sapatos yung laman. And yun ang dahilan kung bakit yung ibang limited edition ng mga sapatos ay ninanakaw. Kasi it's obvious yung mga boxes nila talagang halata na mamahaling bagay yung nasa loob. Kaya I don't like this idea na lagyan mo ng branding sa labas ng box. Anyway, so this is the side. Ganda, Brad. Kahit box pa lang, sarap. And wow. So may extra lace. And this is the shoe itself. And it's a suede type of leather. Really cool. I really like this. I'm digging it. But I just don't like the way they lace this kind of stuff. You see here, I'm not digging this kind of lacing. And I just want to say as well na may extra white lace. So ito yung gusto ko sa SB Dunks kasi tingnan mo yung laces nila, premium na premium yung materials and yung pagkakagawa. Hindi katulad sa Jordans nung yung isa kong Jordan, pangit yung manipis na hindi mo siya, I don't know, it's just doesn't justify the price na almost 200 USD. And ito yung gusto ko sa mga Dunks kasi simple lang tapos yung silhouette niya is the same as the Jordan ones. Pero classic pa rin yung dating. And hindi siya, you know what I mean, timeless. And hindi siya masyadong mahal compared sa Jordans. It's way overpriced and the quality is not that really high. Really, I would say nag-depreciate yung quality ng Jordans compared before. And you know my size is 41 and I wanna try it later kung kung ano yung mukha niya. This is the first time that I open this box, so I wanna try it later. But most of all, yung impression ko, it's a really well made shoes and I'm really digging it. Perfect for springtime kasi ayaw mong madumihan to pag during winter. So I think this is for spring or summer shoes. But yeah, let's see kung ano yung mukha niya pag sinuot mo na. And you know, I have a feeling na medyo malaki siya sa 41. So that's the one I'm reading all the time sa mga reviews na yung mga Dunks is a little bit on the bigger side, so you need to step down kung bibili ka, for example sa akin is I'm 41, so I need to buy 40.5, but this is 41, but still I wanna try it. Pag hindi siya talagang sakto sa ako, then you know what I mean, return. Okay, so yun lang. Sana nag-enjoy kayo dun sa unboxing ko, and hit the like button naman. Subscribe to our channel para magkaroon kami ng growth. And as always, ingat po tayo palagi. I will see you next time. Peace.